Have you ever wondered, why are we here? What is the purpose of life, and how does spiritual evolution fit into this grand scheme? These are questions that have intrigued the human mind for centuries, prompting endless debates, philosophies, and theories. One such theory that has gained prominence in recent years is the concept of spiritual evolution. It suggests that we are not merely physical entities confined to the mundane, but spiritual beings on a journey of growth and evolution. What if our life's purpose was to evolve spiritually, to raise our consciousness, to connect with the higher frequencies of the universe, and to find our own unique place within its vast expanse? What if the trials we face, the joys we experience, and the knowledge we accumulate are all part of a grand cosmic plan designed to propel us on this spiritual journey? Consider the universe for a moment, a boundless cosmos teeming with galaxies, stars, and planets. It's a symphony of matter and energy, resonating at different frequencies. Now imagine if we, as spiritual beings, also resonated at a certain frequency. By evolving spiritually, we could potentially align ourselves with the higher frequencies of the universe, or perhaps even with what some might call God. This spiritual evolution is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It's akin to climbing a mountain. The higher we climb, the broader our perspective becomes. Similarly, as we evolve spiritually, we start seeing life from a much wider perspective. We begin to understand our interconnectedness with the universe and start to unravel our true purpose. Of course, this is just one perspective on the purpose of life and spiritual evolution. It's a theory that invites us to look beyond the physical, to contemplate the spiritual, and to seek a deeper understanding of our existence. It encourages us to question, to explore, and to grow. But how does this spiritual evolution occur? Let's delve deeper. Imagine being on a journey, only this journey isn't physical. It's spiritual. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. Picture a path, winding through a forest of unknowns, leading not to a physical destination, but to a state of being, a higher consciousness, a deeper understanding of oneself and the universe. This, my friends, is the journey of spiritual evolution. Now, let's dispel a common misconception. Spiritual evolution is not about reaching an endpoint. It's not a race, and there's no finish line to cross. Instead, it's an ongoing process, a constant unfolding of understanding and growth. It's about the journey, not the destination. Imagine a seed transforming into a tree. It doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, patience, and nurturing. Similarly, our spiritual evolution is a process of transformation that unfolds over time. It's a journey that requires patience, self-love, and nurturing of our spiritual selves. So what makes this journey so significant? Well, it's on this journey that we begin to understand our true selves. We start to see our strengths, our weaknesses, our passions, and our fears more clearly. We begin to understand our place in the universe and our connection to everything around us. We discover that we are not separate entities, but integral parts of a whole, interconnected and interdependent. Moreover, this journey helps us align with the universe or God. When we evolve spiritually, we raise our vibrational frequency to match that of the universe. We start to resonate with the energy of the cosmos, and this alignment brings about a profound sense of peace, love, and joy. We find ourselves living in harmony with the universe, experiencing life in its fullest glory. Remember, spiritual evolution is a deeply personal journey. It's unique to each of us, and it's shaped by our individual experiences, beliefs, and perspectives. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, and that's the beauty of it. It allows us to carve our own paths, discover our own truths, and grow in our own unique ways. On this journey, you're not alone. We're all traveling together, evolving and growing. Why should we care about spiritual evolution? Why does it matter? Well, the answer is profound, yet simple. Spiritual evolution is a pivotal aspect of our existence that transcends the physical. It is the journey towards inner peace, fulfillment, and a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. Imagine a world where each of us is deeply connected to our own spirit, where we understand our purpose, our passions, and our potentials. That's what spiritual evolution can offer. It's not about renouncing the material world, but rather about harmonizing our physical existence with our spiritual essence. Now, you may be thinking, that sounds wonderful, but is there any evidence to support this? Indeed, there is. Over the years, numerous studies and research have underscored the importance of spiritual evolution. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Humanistic Psychology found that individuals who engaged in spiritual practices reported higher levels of life satisfaction and well-being. Another compelling piece of research from the University of Pennsylvania demonstrated that spiritual growth was linked with greater resilience and lower levels of stress. So it seems that spiritual evolution doesn't just make us feel good, it's actually good for our mental health too. But there's more. Spiritual evolution also fosters a sense of unity and interconnectedness. When we evolve spiritually, we begin to see ourselves as part of a greater whole. We realize that our actions have ripples that extend far beyond our individual lives. This understanding can lead to more compassionate, mindful, and sustainable choices. Spiritual evolution, therefore, becomes a catalyst for collective growth and transformation. It's about evolving together, raising our collective consciousness, and harmonizing with the frequency of the universe. In essence, spiritual evolution is a pathway to a more enlightened, peaceful, and fulfilling life. It's an invitation to explore the depths of our being and to discover the boundless potential that lies within us. So, why should we care about spiritual evolution? Why does it matter? Because our spiritual evolution is not just about us. It's about the collective, the entire universe. Now that we understand the importance of spiritual evolution, how do we engage with it? Engaging in spiritual evolution is not a one-time event, but rather a continued process of self-improvement and exploration. It's a journey of discovery that encompasses the whole of our lives. It's about learning to live with intention and mindfulness, cultivating a deep sense of compassion for ourselves and others, and continually seeking to understand our place in the universe. So, how do we embark on this journey? One of the first steps is mindfulness, being present and aware in each moment, not getting lost in thoughts about the past or future, but truly living in the here and now. This practice brings a heightened sense of awareness and clarity, enabling us to better understand ourselves and our surroundings. Next, we have meditation. This practice is a powerful tool for spiritual evolution. It allows us to quiet the mind and tap into our inner wisdom, revealing truths about ourselves and the universe that may have previously eluded us. Regular meditation can lead to profound insights and a deep sense of peace and tranquility. On this journey, compassion plays a vital role. It is the recognition of shared humanity and the understanding that we are all connected. When we practice compassion, we not only foster a sense of connection with others, but we also cultivate a kinder, gentler relationship with ourselves. Lastly, we have self-reflection. This is about taking time to look inward, to examine our thoughts, feelings, and actions, to understand what drives us and what holds us back. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of who we are and what we want from life. These practices are not quick fixes. They require dedication, patience, and perseverance. But the rewards are immeasurable. They lead to a deeper connection with ourselves and the universe, a sense of peace and contentment, and a life lived with purpose and intention. Remember, spiritual evolution is a journey, not a destination. So, let's embark on this journey together with open hearts and open minds and see where it leads us. So, are you ready to embark on your journey of spiritual evolution? A pause, a moment of reflection. The mere question teases a world of possibilities, doesn't it? This journey, your journey, is not one of miles and physical landscapes, but one of the spirit, of the soul. It's a journey that invites you to explore the deepest recesses of your being, to connect with the universe, or what some may call God, on a profound level. Imagine the peace that comes with living in harmony with the universe, in sync with its frequencies. Picture the sense of clarity, the feeling of being grounded, and the serenity that sprouts from understanding your role in this vast cosmic theater. That's the power of spiritual evolution. But remember, spiritual evolution is not a race, it's a marathon. It's not about reaching a finish line, but about the journey itself. The journey of self-discovery, of finding your own truth, of understanding what it means to be human in a universe brimming with wonder and mystery. This journey is not without its challenges, but the rewards, oh, the rewards are immeasurable. You'll find a heightened sense of empathy, a deeper understanding of yourself and others, and a fundamental connection to the universe. And isn't that worth the effort? Each one of us carries the potential for spiritual evolution. We're all capable of reaching a state of heightened awareness, of resonating with the universe. And it all starts with a single step, a step towards understanding, a step towards acceptance, a step towards love. So, why not take that step today? Why not embark on this journey of spiritual evolution? Remember, you're not alone. You're part of a universe that's waiting to connect with you, to guide you, to support you. Your journey of spiritual evolution starts now. Embrace it and watch as your life transforms. You are on the brink of something truly magnificent. You are on the threshold of a new chapter, a new understanding, a new you. Your journey of spiritual evolution starts now. Embrace it and watch as your life transforms.